Hi, it's Deb again. Let's talk about the first lab activity. You'll notice that there are usually 2 lab activities that go with every module. This one is their Life Off Earth, and you're going to make a wiki. That means you compile things together, bring our collective wisdom to make this larger document. Is Earth the only place there is life, or are there other planets that have life on them? That's what you're really going to explore and come up with your own opinion. You're going to start out with an opinion, and we'll talk about that in a second. Why build a wiki? Because it's really a wonderful collaborative learning thing where we build together and we learn from each other. And for heaven's sakes, wherever you go, whatever job you have in your life, working together is going to be something that you do. When's it due? The first original posting is due Module 1. Then you'll see that you've got 2 media replies for Module 2, and then you finally make your final decision in Module 3 and support that. So let's just talk about your first post since this is Module 1. First, you're going to do some research, and you're going to decide which one of these you agree with. Yes, absolutely there's life off Earth. Yes, it's very likely that there is life off Earth. Maybe there are signs that there could be life off Earth, or the fourth option, no, there is not life off Earth. And so this will explain how to do your research. You really want to figure out from good, credible sources some information to give us. Have there been astronauts that have talked about it? NASA, have they seen some things recently? You want current, valid data to support your opinion. And your original posting is going to be 5 sentences about what event you think really says what you are looking for, what supports what you think, justification why you're putting that information in there, another 5 sentences, and then your source. Copy and paste the website. That's all I ask. You don't have to use a whole format. Wikipedia isn't a good choice. All right. So let's go down here and click on this last one, and that should take us to the wiki. All right. Click to launch. You'll have another wiki thing coming up where you do an experiment, but it's the Life Off Earth wiki that we'll be looking at for this assignment. And man, oh man, I apologize. My internet is slow today. Alrighty. You won't be creating wiki pages. No, big X right there. No, no, no. You're just modifying the pages that are already created. All right, so you decide which one you agree with. Yes, absolutely. That's the one that's open to right now. There it is. And how you do that, if you say yes, absolutely, edit wiki content, that little gray box. I'd encourage you to write your posting in a Word document and then copy and paste it in here with your name first. So I would put Deb and then copy and paste what I thought. All right, I'm going to cancel that so that it doesn't mess up our wiki. So we should see a list of all the people's names on that page that agree with that, with your information that supports your opinion. And so let's say I said, no way, there's absolutely not. Earth is the only place where there is life. You notice I didn't say intelligent life. That's an interesting concept too that some people bring into the discussion. This is a really interesting discussion that I actually love. And so edit wiki content, not comment, nor create wiki page, neither one of those. Wish I could turn them off. Edit wiki content right here. And then put your name. And then your info that you researched that includes all those things I talked about a few minutes ago. And that's all for the first part. I'll come back and talk about part 2 next module when we get close to the next module. Let's just start with this and see how we go. All right, email me with any questions and good luck.